Okay, so it's going to be tilting your head towards your left shoulder slightly, sorry. I'll just bring it this way. Just over towards your left shoulder slightly, sir.
Sorry?
Just want to move your head over towards your left shoulder slightly. That's perfect. So I'm just going in with the suction probe now, so it will be a bit noisy. So it's coming out nicely. It's actually coming out in one big go.
Very good.
So you've just got a bit of dead skin left inside your ear. The skin can be a bit noisy when we vacuum, so if it is, just let me know. And what I'll do, I'll just use a different instrument to remove that skin. It's a bit of a silencer. It's a kind of a silencer, it's less noisy.
Yeah.
The skin's very noisy to remove. When we remove the skin, it's called clarenetting. The skin just flaps. So this is a fine end, so it should be a bit quieter. And I'm just having to peel it because it's stuck on the top part of your ear canal, but also your eardrum. There we are, so I've got most of the skin out. There is a bit of skin left, but we just leave that. It will naturally shed and migrate. Just got a bit of the outside to try and get it for you. Did you used to do a lot of diving or swimming in cold water?
Yeah, a lot of what?
Did you used to do a lot of swimming or diving in cold water?
Not all that much, yeah. Go to the swimming pool. But I haven't been for weeks and months.
What about when you were younger?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, you've got what we call swimmer's ear. I'll show you in a minute on the camera. It's called exotosis. It's when the bony part of your ear canal, in response to cold water, the bony part of the ear canal, which is deeper in your ear, absorbs the cold water, and you get bone swellings. So you've got some visible swellings there, but it's not going to cause you any problems. And that's all done.